Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic endoplasmic reticulum. If you guys want to learn more about the cell, its structure and its functions, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic endoplasmic reticulum. So here the substances which are made by the cells are processed in this structure. Not only processing, it also transports these structures either out of the cell or into the cell. Here in this structure, the tubules and vesicles always interconnect. The total surface area of this structure is almost 30 to 40 times as great as the total surface area of the cell membrane in the liver cells. And this endoplasmic reticulum is composed of lipid bilayer membrane with lots of protein molecules attached into it. So you can see in this figure, this is the lipid bilayer membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. Here protein molecules are also attached. And here these vesicles and tubules are filled with a fluid known as the matrix. These matrix are special fluids which are present inside the endoplasmic reticulum, and that is very different from the fluid which is present in the cytosol. And here in this endoplasmic reticulum, you can see the space inside this endoplasmic reticulum is always connected with the space between two nuclear membranes. So here you can see the outer nuclear membrane, and here you can see the inner nuclear membrane. And the space between these two nuclear membranes are always connected with the space inside this endoplasmic reticulum. And then the endoplasmic reticulum can be divided into two main types. And they are the granular endoplasmic reticulum and then the agranular endoplasmic reticulum. Coming to granular endoplasmic reticulum, from the word itself granular, that means your granules are present. So you can see this structure. This is a granular endoplasmic reticulum. You can see many minute granules which are scattered over the surface. So this is the granular endoplasmic reticulum. So what are these granules? These granules are nothing but these are ribosomes. So what are their functions? The main function of this granular endoplasmic reticulum is the synthesis of protein molecules. Your ribosomes plays a major role in the synthesis of protein molecules. And these ribosomes are composed of the mixture of RNA and proteins. The ribosomes extrude the synthesized proteins into the cytoplasm. And these ribosomes also extrude some of these synthesized proteins into the vesicles and tubules of this endoplasmic reticulum and eventually into its matrix. And coming to the next structure, that is agranular endoplasmic reticulum. From the word itself, agranular, that means no granules are present in this structure. You can see in this figure, this is the agranular endoplasmic reticulum. You cannot see any granules over here. So what will be its function? The main function of this agranular endoplasmic reticulum is the synthesis of lipid molecules. So what are those lipid molecules which are synthesized by this agranular endoplasmic reticulum? Those are nothing but cholesterol and phospholipids. As you already know that these phospholipids are present in this lipid bilayer membrane of this endoplasmic reticulum. And these phospholipids are synthesized by this agranular endoplasmic reticulum. And thereby it helps in the production of new vesicular structures in this agranular endoplasmic reticulum. And next, coming to cholesterol. These cholesterol molecules are always found in dissolved state in this lipid bilayer membrane. These cholesterol molecules always helps in controlling the fluidity in this lipid bilayer membrane. How this cholesterol helps in controlling the fluidity in this lipid bilayer membrane? This cholesterol molecules always increases the intensity of hydrocarbon chains over this lipid bilayer membrane. Therefore, this cholesterol and phospholipids plays a major role in the growth of this endoplasmic reticular structure. Suppose this endoplasmic reticulum grows more than its particular limit, then these vesicular structures will start pinching off from this structure. And this pinched off part will start migrating towards the Golgi apparatus. Coming to the other functions of this endoplasmic reticulum. The first one is this endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes enzymes that helps in the breakdown of glycogen molecule, thereby helping in the production of energy. And second function is that this endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes enzymes that helps in the detoxification of certain drugs which may harm the cell. So that covers the topic endoplasmic reticulum. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.